Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Google. Calm and signing in, this ensures settings stick to your account. Next, click Settings and choose Search Settings so you can access safe search options. Turn on the Safe Search filter to block explicit images and results, then click Save at the bottom of the page. Once done, make sure to lock Safe Search if you're on a family or public device so others cannot change it. This prevents accidental exposures and keeps the filter enforced across sessions. Once Safe Search is saved, verify on each browser and device you use because settings don't always sync everywhere. For children, set up supervised accounts or use Google Family Link so restrictions apply even when they're signed in on other devices. If you want network-wide coverage, configure your router or use a DNS filter. This blocks explicit results before they reach any device. Make sure to test by searching a known safe filter trigger word to confirm the filter is active across the environment. To finalize, run a test search for content that should be blocked and confirm Safe Search is filtering results. That proves the setup works. If settings revert or don't apply, clear your browser cache, ensure you're signed into the right account, and verify sync is on. If problems persist, reset your router's DNS or reapply network filters, and check Family Link or supervised account permissions. One troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable extensions and repeat the test.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.